Here's everything you need to know about an Edelbrock carburetor in under a minute. With the engine idling, check these. They should be all the way down. If they're bouncing up and down, put a lighter spring in. If the car runs rich, put in a thicker rod. If it runs lean, put in a thinner rod. If you need more than that, you'll have to take the top of the carburetor off and dig the jets out. If you can't get an adjustment out of the idle mixture screws, the problem is here. To fix it, pull a bristle from a wire brush. Then use it to poke through all of the small passages in the booster body. Finally, if it's flooding gas over the top, you've either got more than 7 pounds of fuel pressure or you've got some schmutz stuck in the needle and seat valve. Take it apart and clean it out.